Hello everybody. Welcome to the Market Views edition for May 14th, 2018 from Brokerage Free. Important points to note for this week. This week ahead should be a very interesting week. Karnataka elections happened as of Saturday last week, and the results should be announced 15th of May by Tuesday this week. A BJP win in Karnataka should send the markets on a bullish ride. Markets currently is about 10,800, and a BJP win should send the markets to around 10,900, or possibly even scale the previous highs that it accomplished somewhere around 11,100. A Congress win may affect the markets because it might give reason to suspect political instability, and that may affect the markets negatively as well. Quarterly results for the following companies are about to be announced: About India, Axis Bank, Britannia Industries, Hindustan Lever, Lupin, Punjab National Bank, ITC, Tata Steel, Welspun India, Hindalco, and Voltas. FIIs sold shares worth about 325 crores for Friday. Domestic investors bought shares worth about 1,163 crores for Friday. Let's have a look at Nifty. Markets closed on a bullish note for the last week. Nifty opened at 10,741 and closed at 10,806. Nifty made an intraday high of 10,812 and a low of 10,724. Nifty was up by about 89.95 points from a previous day close of 10,716. Support levels at this point of time for Nifty is around 10,750 and 10,690. Resistance levels for Nifty is around 10,835 and 10,865. Markets are likely to be volatile this week owing to the results from Karnataka elections. For investors, it is best that they pursue a wait and watch approach. Traders, it is up to you, take your bets. Let's have a look at the world markets. The American markets remained positive, with the Dow Jones up by about 0.3%, 0.37, and SP 500 about 0.17%. Canadian markets also remained positive. Brazil and Chile somewhat ended in a negative note. The European markets also were somewhat mixed. England markets were up by about 0.31%. Otherwise, France and Europe remained largely around the same range. The Asian markets largely remained positive. Japanese market was up by about 0.17%. Hong Kong up by about 1.49%, which is pretty good. Chinese markets 0.44%. Mumbai Sensex and Nifty was up by about 0.82 and 0.84%. At the time of preparing this report, Singapore Nifty seemed unchanged. If this were to give an indication, the market should open at around the same range. The Asian markets largely remained positive because the trade sanctions and any disputes between China and the US seems to have eased a bit. And that is the reason that is attributed to the Asian markets being positive on Friday. So the Singapore Nifty, as I had mentioned, has remained largely at the same range, and markets should open at around the same range for today as well. Thank you for watching this edition of Market Views from Brokerage Free. Good luck with your trades today. Thank you.